up, bitch! Wake up! Good morning, guys. I'm super excited this morning because... Why am I excited?
Restrictions have been lifted.
Restrictions have been lifted, which means we can actually do the filming that we wanted to do. So today we're going to go to College Crossing to do some kayaking. I am super excited. How about you? Yeah, for sure. So we're going to go get the kayaks and then we're going to do some aerial shots with the drone. I really hope you enjoyed the video and let's go, bruh. Let's go. Yo guys, so we are running a little bit late because we had to go and buy straps so we can get the kayak to the roof because for some reason didn't think that one through. Sam's just putting some air and cleaning the windows. And then hopefully the next time you see us, we'll actually be in the water. We also had to stop at McDonald's because, you know, you got to keep yourself fed and hydrated in these times. I don't know what she's doing. She's doing all sorts of cleaning. See you soon. So, we made it at last. I can't tell you the morning we've had. We were supposed to be here hours ago, but we've made it here anyway. We're at College Crossing. We're about to get in the river with the kayak. Before getting here, the family and friends were like, oh, be careful of the bull sharks. I thought they were lying, but there is legit a sign. I'll show you the sign. Come on, Sam, let's go see the sign.
That's it, I'm not going.
Let's go.
I'm coming.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh.
Some beautiful views now, but not as beautiful as this one.
Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though, you'll never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
Hey people, so this is College Crossing. I've been meaning to do this for some time now actually. It's actually just a park, I believe, like a man-made park. It's not like...
The river is a part of the Brisbane River.
Let me turn myself around a bit here.
But the park is just man-made, yeah.
So this is just like one of the spots that you can go kayaking.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and
Sorry, Gareth, what's happened?
Sam made a fatal error. Is what happened. We may have kayaked down the river and the tide is trying to in, and so we're fucking stuck. I really hope you have enjoyed the scenery so far and it's been beautiful for us until this moment. As we are currently floating, because I'm trying to tell you this story, we're floating back downriver. So we have two options. We can either go this way, which is going to be...
Which is beautiful. but
beautiful.
there's potentially no place to park the kayaks.
And more bull sharks for sure. Even though there's probably bull sharks at this point anyway. Or we can try and get back to that way. You know what? Let's just let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, let's.
A few moments later.
So,
That way was not my idea, it was Gareth's way.
you can get to the bridge, but after that, you're just going to come back this way. So, let's go to my original idea of going down the street.
We'll see what happens.
When we were still alive.
Hang on, we're running into each other again. You go to the other side.
Are you filming all that?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, hi guys. Sorry, I didn't even realise I was being filmed. Chanel the African grey. What the birds gone? Oh, there was birds chirping. So in the UK, there's this girl, this woman who lives on one of the estates, and she has a fucking bird called Chanel, an African grey parrot, and it gets out of her house and she's like, Chanel! All down the street, and now everyone started making names. So there's like one of Whitney Houston singing I Will Always Love You, and when the beat drops it goes Chanel! She's an African grey!
She's an African grey and named Chanel. Chanel!
Hey Sam! How you doing? Because look how beautiful it is, Sam. It was on accident. Are you worried? I'm not worried right now. I'm quite happy to be lost. Life's too short for worrying, brah. That's correct. Dora will always come to the rescue. Hey Sam, why don't you tell them why we call you Dora? Because she's an explorer, brah. She's an explorer. Go on, Dora girl. Go on.
I'm drawing in closer. You make me laugh. You make me laugh. I'm drawing in closer to you.
I have some really cool footage of you, by the way. I can't wait to upload this into the vlog. Yeah, it's cool. I don't need you messing with me. Let's have a race. Oh, I wish I'd brought like something to prop a camera on, so we should have brought a GoPro. Oh, is it really? Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna stop filming now so I can race Sam, but I hope you guys are enjoying. So, we've just seen someone and asked them for directions, and turns out we have like a half-hour way to go that way to get the fuck out the river, which I'm absolutely fine with. We're at
Kangaroo Point, which from what I believe is a little bit of a distance.
it's like the city.
Yeah. We'll see what happens. We're not far. If we go a little bit further down, then we are not far from your street.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So Sam's just on the hunt for a way out. We found a little embankment with a little hole in it. She's getting out the kayak to go check it out. Sorry for the wobbly camera, guys. You out? Is it quicksand? Look at her. Wilson! Wilson! So cool. There Dora goes. Off on her adventures. Dora the Explorer. So guys,
got us lost.
we're not even messing. We had to pull the fucking kayaks out of the water there, and we're now walking towards the road up there. We've got the kayaks with us though, so we're good. I'm gonna sign off because my phone's gonna die, but we're gonna need the charge. But this was so much fun. Like, I had the best time. Even though we got lost, it was beautiful. I can't wait to do more of these. Stay tuned for the next one. I need to go, my battery's gonna go. Bye guys, bye.
Staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Maybe I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Maybe I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can